to change lock screen controls in iOS 18 on iPhone. iOS 18 offers highly customized options that you would have never tried before, and recently introduced another best option that lets you change lock screen controls on iPhone. It offers approximately 50 options to supersede the camera buttons, flashlight, and more, providing you access to plenty of possibilities. GadInsider has compiled a step-by-step guide to let you easily change lock screen buttons in iOS 18. Here's how you can do it. First off, ensure that your phone is running on iOS 18. Hold your iPhone lock screen, click on Customize available beneath the lock screen, hold on to the lock screen, and click the flashlight and camera icon to remove them. Afterwards, click the plus icon to add a new lock screen control. Click Done available in the corner to set new controls. If you're an iPhone 16, 16 Pro, and 15 Pro user, then you have an action button available. Then they can browse a new controls option available in settings when you go to action button. This consists of multiple lock screen button options.